Ever wondered how Python AI can turn your time into a goldmine? Welcome to the fascinating world of Python AI. In this tech-driven age, this powerful programming language and its application in artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to finance and everything in between. Python AI is more than just a trend, it's a skill that's quickly becoming a necessity, and a lucrative one at that. Picture this. You, armed with the knowledge of Python AI, creating innovative solutions, streamlining processes, and yes, making a lot of money. Intrigued? We thought so. This video is your step-by-step guide to harness the power of Python AI, whether you're a seasoned coder or a curious beginner. We'll break it down, make it simple, and make it fun. Ready to dive into a world where Python AI can make you a lot of money? Let's get started. So why Python for AI? Let's unravel the reasons. Python has become the lingua franca in the world of artificial intelligence, and there are several reasons why. Firstly, Python is simple. Its syntax is clean, easy to understand, and closely resembles English. This simplicity makes Python an excellent language for beginners in AI, as it allows them to focus more on understanding AI concepts rather than grappling with complex coding syntax. But don't let Python's simplicity fool you. It's also incredibly flexible. Python allows you to choose between object-oriented programming and scripting, providing a lot of flexibility in how you approach your AI projects. It also supports a variety of platforms, so you can use Python to develop AI applications on your preferred platform without worrying about compatibility issues. Moving on, Python's vast libraries are a treasure trove for AI enthusiasts. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib are excellent for data analysis and manipulation. And when it comes to machine learning, libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit-learn come into play. These libraries simplify the process of developing AI applications, making Python a powerful tool for AI. Last but certainly not least, Python boasts a supportive and active community. This means that if you encounter an issue or need help with something, there's a good chance someone in the Python community has already faced and solved that problem. The community also actively contributes to the development and improvement of Python's libraries, ensuring that Python remains on the cutting edge of AI technology. In short, Python's simplicity, flexibility, vast libraries, and supportive community make it the preferred language for AI. It's no wonder that Python has become the go-to language for AI researchers and developers around the world. Now that we know why Python is the go-to language for AI, let's explore how to use it. First things first, setting up our Python environment. Setting up a productive Python environment is like setting up a tidy desk. It's essential for smooth, efficient work. A well-organized workspace can make the difference between a project that thrives and one that falls apart. So, we begin with installing Python. If you're on Windows, you can download Python from the official Python website. Mac users, you have Python pre-installed on your system, but it might be an older version. So, you might want to consider upgrading to the latest version for the best experience. Linux users, you're in luck. Python comes pre-installed on most Linux distributions. Now, once Python is installed, the next step is to set up our Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. An IDE is like a digital toolbox, providing a space where you can write, debug, and run your code. There are several great IDEs for Python, like PyCharm, Atom, or Visual Studio Code. Choose one that suits your preference and install it. The next crucial step is setting up a virtual environment. Think of a virtual environment as a secluded space on your computer where you can store Python and all the additional packages your project needs. It helps keep your projects separate so they don't interfere with each other. To do this, we use a tool called Venv, which comes pre-installed with Python. Just create a new directory for your project, navigate to it in your terminal or command prompt, and create your virtual environment with the command python mvenv_nv_name. Finally, it's time to install necessary Python packages. Packages are like add-ons that provide extra functionality. For AI projects, essential packages include NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn. You can install these using pip, Python's package installer, with the command pip install package_name. Remember, a well-organized workspace is the foundation of any successful project. With our Python environment ready, it's time to delve deeper. Python libraries, the magic behind the scenes. These libraries are the powerhouse that fuels the operation of artificial intelligence in Python. Let's delve deeper into a few of these, shall we? First on the list is NumPy. NumPy, short for numerical Python, is the foundational package for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. In the realm of AI, NumPy plays a crucial role in handling large datasets and performing mathematical operations efficiently. Next up, we have SciPy. Standing for Scientific Python, SciPy piggybacks on NumPy arrays to provide a large number of functions that operate on NumPy arrays. It provides user-friendly and efficient numerical routines, such as routines for numerical integration, interpolation, optimization, linear algebra, and statistics. It's like the Swiss Army knife of Python numerical libraries. Moving on to Matplotlib, this is the go-to library for data visualization in Python. It allows us to generate plots, histograms, power spectra, bar charts, error charts, scatter plots, and much more with just a few lines of code. It's like the artist in our Python AI toolbox, helping us visualize our data in a way that makes sense. Then we have Pandas. Pandas provides data structures and data analysis tools to make data cleaning and analysis fast and easy in Python. It's like the janitor of our Python AI program, tidying up and organizing our data so that it's easier for us to work with. Last, but certainly not least, we have TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source library developed by the Google Brain team. It's used for both research and production at Google. TensorFlow is a symbolic math library that is used for machine learning applications like neural networks. It's the brain of our Python AI operation, helping us to create and train our AI models. Armed with these libraries, we are one step closer to creating our money-making Python AI program. Now let's bring Python to life with our first AI program. In the vast world of artificial intelligence, there's no better feeling than seeing your own creation spring into action. Today, we're going to experience just that, as we walk through the process of writing a simple Python AI program. First things first, understanding the problem. It's crucial to clearly define what we want our AI to accomplish. For instance, you may want to create a program that can recognize images of cats. In this case, the problem we're trying to solve is image recognition, specifically for feline friends. Once we've defined our problem, it's time to design our solution. This involves deciding on an AI model that's suitable for our needs. For our cat recognizing program, a convolutional neural network, or CNN, would be an excellent choice due to its proven efficiency in image recognition tasks. Now, let's dive into the code. But don't worry, you won't be swimming alone in this deep sea of programming. We'll be using Python, a language known for its readability and simplicity, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experts alike. We'll start by importing the libraries we need. For our CNN, we'll be using the Keras library, a high-level neural networks API that's user-friendly and modular. So we'll type import Keras at the top of our script. Next, we'll prepare our data. In order for our AI to recognize cats, it needs to learn what cats look like. We do this by feeding it lots of cat images. We'll use the image data generator function from Keras to load and pre-process our images. After our data is ready, we'll build our CNN. We'll start with an input layer, add a few convolutional and pooling layers, and finish with a fully connected layer. Don't worry if this sounds complex, it's all part of the fun of learning AI. Now we're ready to train our model. This is where our AI learns to recognize cats. We'll use the fit function in Keras, feed in our images, and let the magic happen. Finally, once our model is trained, we can test it on new images. If all goes well, our program should be able to accurately identify cats. Remember, writing a Python AI program is not about memorizing code, but understanding the logic behind it. Each problem is unique and requires a unique solution. So, don't be afraid to experiment, adapt, and learn along the way. Congratulations on writing your first Python AI program, but how do we turn this skill into money? The million-dollar question: how to make money with Python AI. Let's dive right into it. Python AI is not just about coding and creating intelligent machines. It's also about leveraging these skills to generate a healthy income. There are several avenues to explore when it comes to monetizing your Python AI prowess. Firstly, consider freelancing. As a Python AI freelancer, you can offer your services to various clients across the globe. With the increasing demand for AI solutions in numerous sectors, from healthcare to finance, the freelance market is ripe with opportunities. You can take on projects that require developing intelligent systems, predictive models, or even AI-powered applications. And the best part? You can work on your terms, choosing projects that align with your interests and expertise. Another rewarding avenue is creating AI-based solutions. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, this might be the perfect fit for you. Develop innovative products that solve real-world problems. Think about AI chatbots for customer service. recommendation systems for e-commerce, or predictive tools for stock market analysis. These AI-driven solutions are highly sought after, and by offering them you can tap into a profitable market. Teaching Python AI is another rewarding option. With the growing interest in AI and machine learning, many individuals and organizations are looking to acquire these skills. If you have a knack for explaining complex concepts in a simple and engaging manner, consider creating online courses or tutorials. Not only will you be earning income, but you'll also be contributing to the learning community, helping others to navigate the exciting world of Python AI. Finally, consider seeking employment in AI-focused companies. Many tech giants and startups are on the lookout for Python AI experts. These companies offer competitive salaries and an exciting environment where you can apply and enhance your skills. Working on cutting-edge AI projects can be incredibly fulfilling and financially rewarding. Remember, these are not mutually exclusive options. You can mix and match based on your preferences and goals. Perhaps you might start freelancing while developing your AI solution, or combine teaching with a part-time role in an AI company. The key is to continually learn, innovate, and adapt to the ever-evolving AI landscape. It's not an easy journey, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Not only in monetary terms, but also in the satisfaction derived from creating intelligent systems that can make a difference in the world. Python AI is a field that encourages creativity, problem-solving, and continuous learning. It's a field that offers immense opportunities for growth and income generation. And most importantly, it's a field where you can make a real impact. So, don't just think about the money, think about the value you can bring, the problems you can solve, and the difference you can make. As we've seen, Python AI holds immense potential for anyone willing to learn and innovate. We've embarked on a fascinating journey today, haven't we? We've delved into the captivating world of Python AI, learning its significance, setting up the environment, understanding Python libraries, and even writing our first program. But most importantly, we've discovered how it can be a lucrative skill to acquire. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've discussed. Remember, Python is a widely preferred language for AI due to its simplicity and vast array of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These libraries simplify the process of programming AI, making Python a powerful tool in the field. Setting up the Python environment might seem a bit daunting at first, but as we've seen, it's a straightforward process. All it takes is a bit of patience and the will to learn. And once you've got your environment set up, the real fun begins. Writing your first Python AI program. We've also seen how Python AI can be a source of substantial income. Whether it's through providing AI solutions, creating innovative products, or even teaching others about Python AI, the possibilities to make money are as vast as your imagination. But remember, this is just the beginning. The world of Python AI is vast, and we've only just scratched the surface. Encourage yourself to dive deeper, learn more, experiment, and innovate. The more you learn, the more you'll be able to leverage Python AI to your advantage. Don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. After all, in the world of programming, every error is a stepping stone to success. Take those errors in stride, learn from them, and keep pushing forward. Remember, the world of Python AI is vast and filled with opportunities, so why wait? Start your Python AI journey today and unlock a world of possibilities. Before we wrap up this enlightening journey, there's one last thing to do. If you found this content valuable and want to delve deeper into Python AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with more Python AI knowledge, tutorials, and tips. This way, you'll continue to grow your skills and stay ahead in the world of AI. So go ahead, click that button and join our community of Python AI enthusiasts. We're excited to have you on board and can't wait to see where your Python AI journey takes you. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world of Python AI is vast and filled with opportunities. So keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.